In this video, I would like to share a live example of futures trading where I made 500 rupees profit in 15 minutes. Before I begin my trade, my current account balance in Zerodha is 3 lakhs Indian rupees. So after opening the Zerodha Kite app, I decided to trade in Bank Nifty futures and I chose to sell. Here you can see, in normal case, you'll have to pay the entire amount of 1,62,000 rupees as per Zerodha margin requirements for Bank Nifty futures. But in intraday, you can trade the same with 45,110 rupees. So I opened the trade with intraday position by paying the margin amount of 45,110 rupees. If you noticed, I chose to sell instead of buy. You may wonder why and how can you sell without a buy? This is because I know markets will have resistance near whole numbers before moving up. And also, since it's month end, profit booking will also have a chance to push the indices down. In such a case, I would be at loss if I place a buy order. So I wanted to try a trade in sell. This type of triggering a sell order without a previous buy is called as short selling. With this chart, we get to monitor the variations that's happening in the Bank Nifty futures. Since I placed the sell order, I want the position to come down. Initially, it's moving up, so I'm waiting for it to come down. It actually took 15 minutes to come down to my target. Till then, I kept on monitoring the chart and the changing values. Few times in between it did fall, but then I couldn't close it due to factors like break even. Finally, once it reached a profit of 500 rupees, I closed the order. On closing the order, it shows buy is complete because we performed sell first and completed with a buy. So, in the final settlement, it's like any other buy-sell order with a profit of 500 rupees. Thus, I completed my short sell order successfully. I hope it helps. Thank you.